Hello viewers, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to see how to participate in Gif IDO. So this will be a live video and I will show you that if you are whitelisted and you don't know how to participate, then this video will be more beneficial for you. So let's begin. So here are three tiers available, and that is Triangulum, Milky Way and FCFS. So I am whitelisted in Triangulum. So this is three options at top: dashboard, launchpad and stake. So we have to click on launchpad and I have to connect my wallet. So I will show you how it goes. So first of all, let us to connect wallet here, and I will have to connect my wallet, that is Temple wallet. It will ask for the confirmation. Put your password. So let me to go through it. Yeah. So here I will connect my wallet. So I will choose my Temple wallet and connect with this. Now this will ask for confirmation. So first of all, let me to put my password. It is taking some time to connect. So friends, just keep patience because this time IDO live. So now it's connected. Now you can see Triangulum and Milky Way. So what I have to do, I have to click on swap. As you can see here, still it is going and very rapidly it is increasing. So this is the minimum allocation, and that is the maximum allocation. So minimum is 77 XTG and maximum is 232 for the Triangulum. And same way here in Milky Way, 77 for minimum, and maximum is 930. So I will go for swap. There will be a pop-up open here. Now you have to put your quantity. So you cannot enter less than minimum allocation. So I will go for the maximum, that is 232. So click on swap, and then you see how it is submitting. This is the allocation up to now, which has been already submitted. So now it is in process. You can see it is submitting, so it will take some time to process. Once it is submitted, then it will show swapped.